Arteries are the blood vessels that are responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood and nutrients from the heart to the organs and tissues of the entire human body. The walls of the arteries can stiffen and lose elasticity due to the deposition of fats, cholesterol, and fibrous tissue, thus forming real atherosclerotic plaques. As they get bigger, the passage of blood becomes more and more difficult until it reaches a complete occlusion. Thus, the cardiovascular risk increases, and among the main consequences we find myocardial infarction, stroke, angina pectoris. Nutrition plays a very important role in the health of our arteries. There are some foods that can improve the health of our arteries and prevent them from clogging. Berries. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and currants contain flavonoids, natural substances that are an excellent source of antioxidants. They also play a direct role in vascular protection and lower blood pressure levels. Blueberries in particular can lower LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, very important substances for the well-being of the human body. They improve the health of the veins and capillaries. Dried nuts. In the group of nuts we find walnuts, almonds, cashews, peanuts, pine nuts, pistachios, hazelnuts, etc. Nuts are recommended for breakfast, as a snack, at the end of a meal, or simply to enrich a dish. Among the numerous benefits we find those on the cardiovascular system, as they are able to improve blood fluidity, reducing the possibility of blood clotting episodes. They reduce the risk of hypertension, lowering blood pressure, thanks to the content of antioxidants and unsaturated fatty acids. Almonds are considered an excellent anti-cholesterol scavenger, as it sieves blood vessels to collect and dispose of the cholesterol that is deposited along the walls of the arteries. It not only improves the level of HDL cholesterol, also called good cholesterol, but also of its functionality. Experts recommend a daily consumption of 20-30 grams of nuts, also given their high caloric intake. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the key ingredients of the Mediterranean diet, recognized by UNESCO as an intangible heritage of humanity. It is suitable for quickly flavoring any dish, such as pasta, risotto, tomato bruschetta, and salads, but also second courses, such as chicken breast, bresaola, fish. Thanks to its high smoke point and its stability at high temperatures, it is one of the best foods for cooking, unlike many low-quality oils that can be found on the market. It is an excellent source of vitamin E and antioxidants. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, and in particular in oleic acid, a precious fatty acid which has beneficial effects on the cardiovascular system. It remains one of the best condiments for controlling bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood. Extra virgin olive oil is able to protect our heart and more generally our arteries. According to some studies conducted by researchers at the University of Bordeaux in France, it reduces the risk of eye cuts by 41% in the elderly. It is capable of increasing a protein in the blood which keeps platelets in check. These are cells that are used to prevent bleeding, but if they begin to accumulate improperly, they can lead to the formation of blood clots and therefore to heart attack or stroke. Adequate consumption of extra virgin olive oil indirectly reduces the sudden aggregation of platelets. The advice of the experts is to prefer it raw and not to overdo it in the seasoning of the various dishes. To enjoy all the benefits of extra virgin olive oil, the guidelines indicate a consumption of about 40 grams per day, which corresponds to 3-4 tablespoons. Fish. Fish is another good food for arterial health, rich in omega-3, polyunsaturated fatty acids. They improve venous circulation, promote the elasticity of capillaries, increase good cholesterol, and decrease plasma triglyceride levels. Tuna, mackerel, and salmon are some of the fish that have a positive effect on our body, also promoting the proper functioning of the heart. They help prevent calcium buildup in the arteries and improve blood pressure, as well as protect against heart disease. But pay attention to how you cook the fish and what seasonings you use, because it affects the cholesterol values. Tomatoes. The tomato, originally from South America, is one of the best known and most appreciated vegetables in many countries. It contains many mineral salts such as phosphorus, zinc, iron, and sodium. It is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps lower blood pressure and regulate muscle contraction. The tomato contains lycopene, the carotenoid most present in the human body. Its properties play an important role in the prevention of cardiovascular disease and hypertension. According to some studies, tomatoes and tomato-based products, such as concentrates, purees, and sauces without preservatives, are also able to reduce bad cholesterol, thus keeping the arteries clean and counteracting the formation of atherosclerotic plaques. Experts recommend a regular consumption of tomatoes given its many benefits it brings to our body.